If you are a traveler, vlogger or short film maker and looking for a best gimbal under 6,000 rupees and found this Amazon Basics gimbal, then you need to watch this video. Also, this video is helpful for those who are looking for the best budget mobile gimbal under 6,000 rupees. In this video, I'm sharing my unbiased review after using this Amazon Basics gimbal for some days. I already provided the timestamps for your reference. If in case you want, you can directly jump into that. First things first, let's have a look at the inbox contents. In the box, you get this gimbal followed by an instruction manual and one type A to type C cable, and also one base tripod and one hanging string as well. These are the things you get inside the box. Now let's see how to connect this gimbal to the mobile phone. Just for your reference, I already posted a dedicated video on how to connect this gimbal followed by how to use this gimbal and the app features you will get. So check the video link in the description box or else in the iCards or at the end of this video so you understand much better about this gimbal. This gimbal connects to the mobile phone via Bluetooth. You need to install one application called Gimbal Pro, which is available in both Android and iOS app stores. After downloading the application, open the Bluetooth and connect this gimbal. In the app, there is an app called Enter into the Camera. In that camera, there are a lot of features are available. Now you can use all the features that this gimbal is coming with. Maybe you have one question in your mind right now, that whether you can use this gimbal without using this application. Of course, yes guys, there is no problem with that. But you miss the extra features like face tracking, object tracking and some extra things that are only available in the application. Just connect the mobile to the gimbal via Bluetooth and use your native camera app. There is no problem with that. You will get the same stabilization. Now it's time to check the video with and without this gimbal. These are the videos taken with and without this gimbal. You can see the text on the top of the video so you understand much better. Definitely the answer is yes, there is a good stabilization for the videos with this gimbal. Overall, the stabilization is good with this gimbal. Even you can do face tracking or object tracking with this one. Let's have a look at some samples. Hey guys, right now the video is recording from this gimbal, I mean the Amazon Basics gimbal. Right now I turned on the face tracking. You can see how my hands are free now. So you can judge how it is tracking my face. So if I go down, wow. This is so cool. This is tracking my face like smooth. So if I go up, down, wow, this is crazy. So yeah, this is how the face tracking works. Right now it is object tracking, so I cropped this back case so you can see how it is moving and tracking. This is crazy thing. But for tiny objects like these type of pens, let's see. I'm again dragging it. Okay, no, it is taking a lot of time to get focus. Okay, so for tiny objects it's getting tough. When it comes to these objects like this much big, at least back cases, it is working super fine. Of course, gimbals are made for this. There are different modes available in this gimbal that can be controlled with the application or with these buttons. Check the complete setup and beginner's tutorial guide video for more details of this gimbal. Now let's discuss the good and bad things I noticed during my usage. First, I talk about the good points. Number one is the price. This gimbal comes under 6,000 rupees with a lot of features. This is one of the reasons why many people are interested in buying this gimbal. Number two, charging. Even though this gimbal price is decent, there is a Type-C slot to charge this. Some gimbals more than 8,000 rupees also don't have this. So the cable management is going to be good with this one. Number three, charging support. You can charge the mobiles while using this gimbal. This one comes with a 3600 mAh battery capacity. So in tough situations, you can use this gimbal as a power bank. Number four, the stabilization is good with this gimbal. You have already seen the video samples as well. Number five, the face tracking is amazing. There is no getting out of track while you are moving. Number six, the object tracking is also there and it works pretty decent for big sized things. For pens and pencils, the tracking is not that great. Number 7, you get some wide area while you are using the front camera. Number 8, the battery backup is amazing. You get more than 5 hours straight for a single charge. They claimed that it lasts for up to 10 hours. So for more than 5 hours it lasts, there is no doubt in that. Now I'm going to share the bad things. This section is very important if in case you are buying this gimbal. Number 1, the balancing is not that easy with this gimbal. Previously I used the DJI gimbals as well. The connection is so simple. When it comes to this, you need to adjust horizontally and vertically. If you read the instruction manual, it helps, but if you try to balance it straight out of the box without instruction manual, it's not easy for everyone. Number 2, the base tripod legs are not at all great. They made it with plastic. I'm not having any issue with that, but the leveling is not good. If in case you do not use the base tripod, this point won't make a huge impact for you. Number 3, the main problem with most of the gimbals is even though the mobile is supported for 4K format, 4K recording videos, some gimbal applications won't support this. In this gimbal also, this problem is there. My mobile is supported for 4K 60 FPS for front and back cameras, but this gimbal is supported for 30 FPS with different frame sizes. For 4K, the frame size is 3840 by 2160 pixels. This is the standard. But if you see it on the app, it is different. But for 1080p videos, it is good. One more thing I noticed is the frame rates are changing from mobile to mobile. I don't know how this app is managing these things, but the problem is there with this application. Number 4, the live face tracking is good. Also, they provided one more feature called live face tracking for live videos. If you are going to live, let's say on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, the live face tracking is enabled. If you move sides, you will be on the frame. But the problem is this app is not supported for these applications. Only it is supported for TikTok and one more app called Kwai, Kwai. This is the first time I'm listening this word. So this feature is useless for us. It's just a software optimization. If they added the feature like support for these platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, it is really good for this price. Number 5, the object tracking option is also there, but it is not quite good for some objects like pens, pencils. The tracking is going to be lost while moving these objects. For large objects like the back case of your mobile phone, work perfectly. Number 6, this is a big issue with this gimbal. I can say that this is a design issue. See, if you want to change the orientation of the device like horizontally or vertically, you press the button but it won't change in normal position. You need to tilt the gimbal downside and press this button. Now it changes the orientation. If you press the button in normal standing position like this position, it won't change because there is no space between the top and bottom portion, so it won't rotate. Number 7, this is also again a fault design. See, they provided the USB type A slot on the back side to charge the mobile while using the gimbal, but the problem is if you add the mobile to the gimbal, the bottom portion where the charging slot is there for almost all the mobiles is completely closed. You cannot able to charge the mobile at that time. If in case you change the mobile position to opposite direction, again one more problem here, you cannot shoot the videos now. So if in case you are thinking you can use this gimbal while charging your mobile, no guys, it's not. Maybe you can move the mobile and leave some gap at the bottom so you get some space to charge the mobile, but it's not the way to use this gimbal. You get an issue with the calibration as well. Number 8, I tried to charge this gimbal with a Samsung 25 watts charger, but it won't charge. Later I used the OnePlus Dash charger and now it is charging. Then I tried with a power bank as well. Yes, it is charging. So you cannot charge this gimbal with fast chargers. The maximum rating is 5 volts 1 amps. That is 5 watts charger you need to use to charge this gimbal. So take care of that. Number 9, if we use the gimbal with the base tripod in outdoor conditions, then we need to take care. If too much wind is there, this one starts vibrating and moving, and sometimes it fell also due to lightweight design. So take care if you are using in outdoor conditions, that too with that base tripod. Number 10, I charged this gimbal for more than 7 hours, but it is still charging. I mean, there is no overcharge protection is available in this one. So just charge for some couple of hours. Whenever you see the H light, then stop charging. There is no problem with that. These are the good things and bad things I noticed with this Amazon Basics gimbal. One more thing guys, if in case you are interested to buy this gimbal, I provided the best buy link in the description box. That is an affiliate link. If you purchase this product through that link, I'll get some commission. So it is really helpful for this channel to review more products in future. If in case you are purchasing anything from Amazon, feel free to click the affiliate link and buy through it. I'll get some commission. Thank you so much in advance for your support. Now let's talk about for whom this gimbal is good. This gimbal is good for people who are looking for a good and budget gadget, that is for stabilizing videos. This gimbal is totally worth for this price. Yeah, there are some problems with this one as well. See, nothing is 100% perfect in this world. Everything has its own pros and cons, but the ratio differs. When it comes to this gimbal, overall under 6,000 rupees, it is worth or not? The straight answer is yes, it's worth. You can buy this gimbal, there is no problem in that. But make sure to recheck the cons, I mean the bad things once again. If it doesn't make a huge problem for you, you can choose this mobile without having any second thought. Or click this video where I shared the DJI Osmo Mobile SE gimbal. It has a lot of features more than this Amazon Basics gimbal, but there are some problems with this one as well that I shared in this video. If I want to choose between these gimbals, I choose this DJI. Watch this to know more about it.